Good morning, everyone. It's super windy today, so welcome in another episode from all three Dodges. I'll probably work on these two today. This one, I'll show you what I did last night. I've put an engine degreaser in those cylinders, and this holds perfectly level. I washed them a little bit because I want to wash the pistons from that carbon buildup, so that's the main reason, but also to check because I'm changing oil. I gotta take out the oil pan so it doesn't hurt the engine, but I want to see how long it takes to drain it, to go through the rings. But they all have compression, or just the first one didn't have it, but that would run, but I don't know how long, so that's why I gotta replace it. It's super windy, so we gotta work in a time lapse. Sorry, look at the tree. You wouldn't hear anything I say anyway, so I'm just gonna run a time lapse. I'm removing the engine. I started already, and I want to drop the engine down. I don't have a hoist to pull it out, so I'll drop it down. And so I don't have to lift the car so much high to get the engine out of there. I'll remove the head and it will be like halfway lower, you know what I mean, right? So I won't have to raise the car so high to get it out. Hopefully. Hopefully my brilliant idea will work. I'm removing whatever I can. I already got like that evap system thing and coils, and yeah, let's just take it apart. Maybe we will remove the turbo today. We will see. I got all week to do it. I have to show you something, guys, because I thought I should replace the timing belt on that car that I want to sell. Look at this one. Just look at it. Look at this timing belt. It's supposed to be replaced long time ago. I've never seen a timing belt in that bad condition. I think it's about to snap any minute, but we're putting it out, so it doesn't matter anymore. And I just want to check if electric, because it has misfire on this cylinder, I want to check if those solenoids are good. I need to check resistance on them to make sure they're good so I can sell the parts. And I know they work, right? Okay, I got the valve cover off, and I see camshaft will be good for sale. I measured all these, they're good. Sorry, I forgot to press the record button, but everything looks good. Maybe I'll make some decent money on this car. We will see. We will. I will, guys, show you when I sell everything or most of the parts, and I'll tell you when the car, when I got money back for what I spent on this car, but. I'll tell you the total when most of them are sold. Okay, guys, I'm trying to remove. I'm not gonna remove the transmission and engine. I'm gonna leave it in. I just want to get the piston and the head and turbo and catalytic converter. That's it. I'm leaving all this. It's too much work. It's not worth it. Yeah, what we need to do is remove the oil pan, and it's screwed into the exhaust right here, so I need to unscrew these two bolts, and then we will see. I need to cut it right here because it's not unscrewing. I'll take it on the table and maybe I'll do it then, but right here it's unscrewable. So let's cut the exhaust, unscrew these two here hopefully, and we can get the oil pan down. Okay, guys, the head is off. I removed the head already. We're taking all the pistons, we're taking ECM and all the body parts, and I think that's it. I noticed that the subframe on these, it's aluminum, or at least it looks like aluminum. I think it is, but whatever. I just want to get rid of it. Just the tires are toast. There's a lot of money in this. If I had a room to keep it, I'd take every single part and sell it separately. Like, there's a lot of aluminum and even scrap metal, like the engine block weighs a lot. So Yeah, but I don't have time and I don't have room for it because the driveway is like, you know what my drivers looks like, right? Pretty bad. So yeah, that's all I need is ECU and the pistons, and that's it. And tomorrow I'm removing all the body parts and I'm calling the junkyard to come get it. And I need the both front ABS sensors because my daughter's left one's messed up, so we will put it there. Hopefully they will work because every single one has the ABS sensor, every single one of all three of them. Yeah, now we gotta get down, remove the oil pan, then unbolt the piston rod or connecting rod and push the piston up. I'm not happy. I'm not happy, guys. The problem is I removed all the bolts from the oil pan, but it goes to the transmission. Like, I read online that if you get manual transmission, it doesn't have to come off to replace the oil pan gasket. I mean, I just want to remove the oil pan, but you know what I'm thinking? I'm just gonna smash it. I just need a hole in it. I don't really care because I don't feel like dropping the transmission. Or I could just drop the whole freaking engine now at this point. Huh. Maybe that's not a bad idea now. Okay guys, I figured it out. There's too much unscrewing here. Like really, the whole transmission would have to come out, and I'm just gonna make the hole with a hammer. The oil pan is probably aluminum. Okay, let's do it my way. Oh, it's coming off. So what the hell? What's holding? Ha! I wanted to smash it and it came off. No! Stay! Okay, I got them out. They're ready in ultrasonic cleaner. Everything looks good here. So yeah, just the ECU. Clean up a little bit here. I'm leaving everything else, and just the body panels, lights, and those sensors. And maybe I'll wait for my son with the ECU. He can get on here and just unscrew it. He'll be home in like 20 minutes. That's a lot of work, guys. Like really, really like removing, even though I didn't care about anything, I could damage anything. It's still a lot of work, but I hope it's worth it. I mean, the pistons, I'll post them. I think I'll post everything on eBay. I mean, first on Marketplace for like I don't know, 2 weeks or so, and then I'll post it on eBay if they don't sell. And trust me, if I had room, I'd keep it. I'd take everything apart. You can sell like the radiator, even transmission, even the engine block. I mean, if someone has a messed up cylinder, they'll be looking for engine block if they want to fix it, of course. But there's a lot of parts in here that you might sell. It's too much work. I don't have time and room. I need to get rid of it. So I need to get my daughter's car driving and then that one. I mean, it was a hold-up because of the weather. I'm working on this car, and once I'm done with that, I can work on any car as long as I got the garage. I mean, they said it's a 2.5 cars garage, but I barely fit one, a small one. But yeah, that's me, you know. Maybe if I didn't have all that, then maybe. Whatever. I mean, it's good. Work in the garage, it's no problem in any weather, so yeah, I gotta get this out of here. Okay, just waiting for my son. Yeah, I'm just keep thinking, you know, how many parts I'm leaving. Like the crankshaft, it's in a really nice condition, no scratches or anything on it. That's worth a lot of money. Even AC compressor, like alternator, anything, you know, anything could sell. Like I pulled out the seats, and the most interest is in the seats, even though I posted the VVT already for the intake valves, and I thought that's gonna be number one to go. No, people ask about the seats the most, which I never thought of. So you never know what they might want, but like I told you before, I have no room, I have no time, I need to get rid of it. I'm stripping it. I'm just waiting for my son so he has some fun, because he likes to unscrew things. So I'll let him unscrew the computer, and I think we're gonna pull all the body panels today, and tomorrow morning I'm calling the junkyard to come pick it up. I found one for 2,000 that's hit in the rear door. Yeah, but no, I that one first. What's wrong, Olivia? You like,
just take this out.
you like working on cars?
No.
Look.
See? It doesn't work.
Give me something. Who got it out?
Me.
Alex, how's it going? We're removing the taillight. I already removed. I'm leaving this door. I'm leaving this fender. I mean, fenders are staying because you need to cut them. Put it aside. This bumper's staying because too much work to get it out. I don't know where it's screwed in. Everything's rusted. We got what we got. We will see if any of these will sell that we took off, like the hood, headlights, taillights. We're almost done with the taillights because we need to separate it from the trunk. And my daughter is getting the sensors, and that's it. And everything else goes to the scrapyard tomorrow.
It's coming out.
Good. That's what it looks like. I think that ECU. That's enough. Like I told you, if I had room and time, I would. Oh, the alignment was really bad on this car. If I had room and time, I'd keep it and take every single screw apart, but I don't. So, what's wrong?
Spider in the wheel.
Jesus! A spider! Oh my god! And we got a spare wheel for my daughter because she didn't have one in the trunk, so we got a couple parts for that one, a couple parts for that one, then a couple parts for sale. Okay, we are officially done with this car. We got the ABS sensors, we got everything I could, and it was easy to remove. So tomorrow we're calling a junkyard. I just lost 2 sockets. I need to find the socket number 10, of course, and number 8. They gotta be here somewhere. This mess is going to the junkyard.